This virtual coaching Agile-Transitions course provides you with a highly immersive learning experience. It focuses on the field of enterprise coaching for agility and explores the key elements of agile transformation. As one of the most advanced level certifications, the ICP-CAT designation validates an understanding of the skills and competencies needed to become an enterprise agile coach. Your trainer for this course will be an IC-Agile authorized instructor and will provide an engaging and interactive online experience. The Coaching Agile-Transitions course enables you to pursue professional mastery of enterprise coaching for agility. It empowers you to build highly effective enterprise coaching competencies and large group facilitation skills to assist agile transitions at an organizational level. This course is designed for enterprise, program, and team-level agile coaches, Scrum Masters and change agents, aspiring coaches, as well as anyone in leadership roles. With this certification course from Skillier, you will attend a live instructor-led virtual class by an experienced and IC-Agile authorized instructor. You will receive digital training materials, an ICP-CAT Enterprise Agile Coaching Certification after successfully completing the training. At Skillier, we aim to transform lives all over the world by supporting girls' education. When you enroll in an ICP-CAT course with us, you help transform a life by providing education to a girl in an underprivileged community through our mission partners. Get the best-in-class technology training from world-renowned instructors. So get started today at skillier.com/ICP-CAT.